when we need to search in multiple files, inside multiple files. Wouldn't it be nice if we can search inside all of them at once instead of opening a file after another? Let us say we want to search inside the contents of 10 files or even more, 30 files, 50 files, 100 files. It happens. So we use this search field in Windows, which is basically dedicated to search file names in the first place. But by adapting a specific option in Windows, we can make it also applicable for searching inside the contents of these files. As you can see here, we have 25 files. Let us say I want to search for a specific sentence. Sentence to be. So, in the first place, as you can see here, the file name includes sentence to be searched for, so it appeared in the results. But I want to search inside the contents of all the files, not only the file names, but the contents. How can I do this? Click these three dots. You will do this once and for all. After configuring the option, you will not have to do it again. Options. In the search tab, check this option. Always search file names and contents. There is even an option to search inside compressed files, which is good when needed. What say you? So apply. Okay. As you can see, results now include a file named open this file. I will open it. Control plus F. Control plus F, please. My keyboard. Control plus F. Yeah. Sentence to be, as you can see here, it is showing the exact sentence I'm searching for. And it was among the results of the search using this search field. It is nice. Life is good. I wish this tip added to your expertise.